finally happened. I finally found my holy grail, the thing that I've been looking for to buy and then flip on eBay since I started 2 years ago, and I can't wait to show you what it is. Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Daniel. I'm a part-time eBayer that focuses almost entirely on buying used golf clubs and golf bags and selling them on eBay for a profit. If you are a returning watcher, thank you for coming back. If you're not, please go ahead and subscribe and join the club. I have upgraded my mic game this week so you can listen to my sweet, silky voice in your earbuds. But in all seriousness, what I want to do in this video this week is to show you what I bought on eBay that I'm listing, what I bought it for, what I'm listing it for, and also I want to show you the item that I have been looking for my entire 2-year span on eBay. And that brings up a little topic that I want to talk about, which is what happens when you buy something that you want to flip, but you fall in love with it. If you are a reseller and you have bought something that you fell in love with, tell me what it was down below. Tell me why you either chose to sell it or keep it, and why, because this item is tugging at my heartstrings and I want to keep it because it is absolutely incredible. But before we talk about that, I want to show you some things that I bought, how much I bought it for, where I bought it from. We're going to be using Flipwise for that, and then I will show you in depth my favorite item that I bought so far that I may sell on eBay. Okay, the first club set that we're going to talk about this week is this TaylorMade Rocketballs left-handed iron set. This is a 5-iron all the way through pitching wedge. Anytime that I can find either a Rocketballs iron set or a TaylorMade burner iron set, I'm always going to pick them up. The PGA Store or Golf Galaxy generally prices them around $100 to $150. These are always an easy double up for me. I should be able to get anywhere from $250 all the way up to $300 on a set like this. This is a left-handed set, so sometimes it does take a little bit longer for these to sell. Left-handed stuff also sells a little bit higher for me just because there is less supply, but this should be a pretty easy flip. I already have a couple watchers looking at this item. All right, so I already alluded to this second set here, but this is a TaylorMade Burner XD iron set, 3-iron all the way through pitching wedge. This is a right-handed set, and I got very lucky that the Golf Galaxy that I went to had both the Rocketballs and the TaylorMade Burner iron set, both priced at basically the same point. I bought this for $122.69, and this will generically sell for me anywhere between $250 and $300. This is a very popular iron set. It's a very great set for beginners. Actually, both sets are really good sets for beginners, but this being a right-handed set, this should sell very quickly. And again, as soon as I posted this, within probably 10 hours, I had 4 or 5 watchers on there. I'll more than likely send out an offer just to see if I can get anybody to buy it and get a quick flip this weekend. Okay, this next putter that I bought is a PXG putter, so a pretty controversial brand. You can almost see it in this picture, but I do have a ding on this putter just above the 0 and the 0211, almost on the sweet spot. I probably shouldn't have bought this putter, but the grip was in great shape. It had the head cover with it. I bought it for $82. I have it listed right now for $150. I'll more than likely sell this for $120 plus shipping, so not a great investment on my part. I got a little caught up in the sauce as I was picking up all the iron sets and the other putter that I'm about to show you, but I still should be able to turn a profit on this. It's just, in retrospect, probably shouldn't have picked this up for the amount of money that I did. Okay, the last putter that I want to talk about is this TaylorMade Chaska putter. This is a right-handed putter. I bought this for $62.83, and I should be able to just get over $100 on this. I feel much more confident in this putter because the sell-through rate is very high. This came with a head cover as well. It won't be a really great flip as far as ROI goes, but I still should be able to make probably $10, $20, $30 probably on this putter, depending on how quickly it sells. But with the sell-through rate that it has, I'm feeling pretty confident that this will be a quick flip as well. So all 4 items I'm hoping to sell within this next week. There's no reason I shouldn't because they all have watchers already, and I'm going to make some pretty aggressive offers this weekend to see if I can get them out the door. Okay, so enough delay. I'm going to show you what I bought on Facebook Marketplace that I've been looking for since I started flipping 2 years ago. So this is a Spalding Pro Shop display bag. This thing is in immaculate condition. Just look at how gorgeous this is. This measures 35 inches high, 15 inches across. Golf stores normally use this as display pieces. I've seen them in country clubs. I've seen them in pro shops. They're normally branded with the country club logo or store logo. This is a generic one. It's a Spalding one. It is in absolutely mint condition. All the zippers work. There's no tears on the leather. I came across this on Facebook Marketplace. It was only $200. Some of you were like, $200? But yes, only $200. I went ahead and messaged them and asked them if it was still available. They said yes. I went and picked it up the next day. I was shocked at the condition it was in. This was actually found in a storage unit. The people that I bought it from have a side hustle where they buy storage units and then list stuff on either Facebook Marketplace or eBay as well. And they also found a matching staff bag with this that also sold earlier in the day. I was really sad I didn't actually get that as well. But this thing is beautiful. I also got to make a connection with the couple and ask them if they come across any golf stuff in the future, if they would go ahead and let me know and give me potentially first dibs, or at least let me know if they were going to list it on Facebook Marketplace, and they were more than willing to do that. So we made a pretty good connection there, and I hope it leads to more sales and more money in the future. But I am so excited about this bag, and I'm just about to list it, but I'm running into two potential concerns. Number one, I want to keep it. I have all of my inventory currently inside of it. Number two, this is going to be an issue to ship. I ship golf bags in a 12 by 12 by 40 box from U-Haul. Like I said, this is 35 inches by 15 inches by 15 inches. It's big. It's not heavy, but it's big. I think I can get away with $100 flat shipping. Let me know if you think that's a concern, but the other option is to go buy the box and use calculated shipping, and I know that will protect me, but it still is going to raise the price pretty high. I plan to list it between $400 and $500. The comps are $400 and $500. It looks like these do actually sell between $400 and $500, but the shipping is either free or variable. So I'm kind of confused. I do need your help. If you've made it this far in the video, let me know what you think I should do. If you're an experienced reseller, if you are out there and you are going to go sourcing this week, I hope you hit a hole in one. I hope you find something that you can sell for a lot of money. And thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I'm going to post a what sold video probably later on in the week, so stay tuned for that. And until then, good luck out there.